We have another great GoPro moment. The camera is fresh off the charger. GoPro Hero 9, as you can see here. And I'm going to turn it on. So I push the button, you hear the click. Did you hear the click? No. Wait to see how long does it take for it to turn on. Do you hear anything? Doesn't that turn on, right? But it just came off the charger. Like 2 minutes ago, so I had it charged and then I decide to go on a walk with the dog. She's pulling on my leash. And okay, so yeah, I take the camera off the charger, close the lid here on the side, and then I walk outside here, and then we want to try the time warp thing, you know, that kind of thing, and that's where we are now. So do I have to go? I can't even imagine if I would have to do like a professional recording of something important now, because it's action. So let's say there's action and I want to record and it doesn't work. Push again. Doesn't work. So this reset thing, is that 10 or 15 seconds hold? So I try that. I'm going to hold for 15 seconds. This is 5 seconds. 10 seconds. 15 is around here. So I have held it for 15, I let go. Doesn't work. Oh, it works. See, there it goes. So it needed a reset. Look at this. Yeah, now we're ready to do our video. That's GoPro.